That's the damage. There's another doozy. Look at that mailbox. You know, that goes up to my waist. Look at that tree. Those aren't small trees. Those are big trees. Big trees. So this big tree's roots are right there where that little birdie is. And see how they just popped right out of the ground? They just got ripped right out of the ground. Right off their tap roots. And now they're laying like this. It's just so right now if I can catch up to this guy up here, we've got big trucks, you know, hauling these big, huge logs, you know, out of the way. And so here's one of them. They put the logs on it and, you know, they're carrying them away little pieces at a time. They're not so little though, they're as big as you and I. Okay, so right here I'm just going to show you what they're doing. This is in the path of the right fork of the wind, tonguing the trees, pulling them up out of the ground. So this is what the county has done after their issuance of a emergency environment situation. So they're actually taking it up, and there's, during the day back at the courthouse, here let me just go ahead and bring you around again. That vehicle is gone, it's no longer there, it's another vehicle right now. So the vehicle I gave you may not be connected to anything, but then again, it may have been. They may have towed it in the morning before 9 a.m. or at 9 a.m. I don't know. Could have been somebody just leaving their vehicle there because they need help. Don't know. But it was just very strange that suddenly a wind started in this area, it looks like, because there's nothing over there by the water. And suddenly starts dropping trees starting right here. There's two branches, there's a left and a right. Really? Guess who was parked right there? There's another one. Power lines brought down by trees. Big trees. Over there. Ooh, look at those power lines. Yep. Whoa, just ripped that out. This one right here, ripped the trees out. Some of this is cleanup from last night. On this road, they had bulldozers out here moving this stuff. I mean, it was kind of sprawled across the road. But anyway, we're going to go up to the cemetery right now. That's where I'm headed. I'm going to leave the video rolling for a minute. It's not too far. Side of the cemetery where the right fork of that wind went, and right over there is where the trees are in the other side. So we're going to visit that. So this is like behind the cemetery right here, so, or on the side of it, and then here's another one, another big tree just smashed through that iron gate, smashed down and into these people's backyard and hit their whatever that is right there, their garage or whatever it is. Man, you know, that's big trees, man. That's huge. That's a huge tree. There's another one. I'll show you another one. So this is the tree from last night that I was losing my power on my phone. But yeah, so here's this big tree. You know, they had cut it, of course, and pushed it over to the side. But look how long that is. That's a big tree. Let's see here. Alrighty. So you can see this is So, these power lines obviously have been drawn down by something. This one is not completely. This one they haven't gotten to yet, but they will be getting to it. In town there's a lot of these situations, not just this one. So, we're going to get to you. Here we go. And once again, it's one of those big trees. And, God, you know, you can see the roots right in the back over there. poking up at the top there. It just got plucked, snapped off its cap. Here it lies. And it hit the back of a store. This is a grocery store. And the brick wall looks like it's still intact. But you can see that's just, wow, still a lot of damage. So anyway, yeah. This is what's happening all over downtown area of this. So here's these two vehicles I was telling you about. This one's from California. And this one over here is from here. So here's the California one. Here's this one. I hope you can see sunlight going on. But anyway, it's pretty smashed. Power line. Big tree hit it. Big tree. And this tree goes all the way up over here and goes into the houses and hits the roofs on the houses too. And so, man. And then here's a power line. And then the power line goes all the way up here. So that power line, it was down by... There we go. Okay. So, yeah, there's a tree right there, and then there's another big one right there. Big trees. These are no little trees, folks. These are big trees. This one is by where I work. You can see the roof right there. Goes towards the house.